Welcome back to Jay's Jeep and Classic Car channel. Little update from repair from last time, the liquid glass. Anyway, we put it in, we ran it, and then we came down here today and I looked in the radiator. No oil, so that's great. It was sitting all week, so you know, I kind of figured there would be something floated up, but it was nothing, so that was great. I went ahead and started it, let it idle for a while, and I'm starting to see some oil come through there, and I'm seeing a little white smoke as well. And then I definitely hit the throttle some just to get the RPMs up, and you know, just big billows of white smoke coming out. And I'm looking in the radiator and there's oil in the radiator. So whatever issue I have is more than that stuff could take care of. Definitely disappointed and frustrated at that, but it does give me some more opportunities for more content for y'all and to learn more. Just I wanted to get it run, and so that we could use it and move on to some more things besides just working on this engine, which feels like I've been working on forever, which really I have. So first things first, we're going to probably look at the torques on the head, make sure those are all good. If they are, I'm going to tear that head off and see what the head gasket looks like. But it is what it is. So this too shall pass, and this will work out as well. So alright, so this is what it looks like down in there. Definitely a thick layer of oil in there. That definitely came after I revved it up, so definitely have an issue there. Looks like some of that liquid glass stuff is also in there, but that's not sustainable right there. So yeah, definitely frustrated and disappointed, but not totally surprised by this. I had my suspicions the whole time. So we definitely have some choices there. I'm going to check the torque on the head and make sure that's all good, and if that's all good, then I'll tear the head off and look at the head gasket and see if we have a crack or something, and then we'll go from there. Not sure I've got the budget to rebuild it, but we'll see. That's kind of why I bought this engine, because I thought maybe I could get away with just doing a swap. But if so, I'll sell a bunch of stuff on eBay and go like that. But anyway, just want to give you a quick update on that. We'll tackle that on a different day. It's kind of rainy and nasty out here, and I'm a little under the weather, so we'll tackle this on another weekend. But I appreciate y'all watching. Y'all take care. It's time for supper.